The pressure on that line looks unstable.
I see it on the tablet. Let's report it immediately.
The pressure on gauge 4 is reading high, near the red line.
I see it. Documenting the reading now. Look at the fluctuation on the main pipeline.
Adjusting the choke valve now. It's stabilizing.
Yes. Perfect. Flow rates are optimal again.
Gauge reads 50. I'm testing the lever now.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Look at the pressure on that line.
Seems high. Let's check the panel up ahead.
Keep the temperature steady. It's spiking slightly.
Opening the regulator.
Confirmed. Stabilization achieved.
Keep an eye on the temperature gradient at stage 3. It's spiking slightly.
Affirmative. Modulating the heat exchange now. Readings are stabilizing.
If you look at the pressure gauge here, it's fluctuating outside the parameters.
The data confirms that. Let me check the historical trends.
What about the input temperature?
The gauge confirms the pressure stabilization we initiated yesterday.
Yes, the levels are optimal now. Data logged.
The pressure on gauge 3 is fluctuating. Yes, the reading here confirms it's outside the acceptable range. The delta T across the reactor looks stable now.
Yes, the adjustment to the regeneration cycle seems to have worked.
We should maintain this setting and monitor the CO2 levels closely.
Is the pressure stabilizing? Yes, just a little more. Okay, perfect.
The color is slightly off, darker than the last batch.
Let me cross-reference the density readings. The viscosity seems stable, though.
The data confirms the sample quality is within parameters.
Excellent. I will finalize the report and send it to the floor manager.
The analysis is complete. Everything is well within the required specifications.
Confirmed. The density and purity levels are perfect for this batch.
The thickness reading right here seems a bit low.
Hold on, let me cross-reference that with the previous data.
See, the sensor reading matches the tablet exactly.
Good. Let's make a note on the clipboard and move on.
Operations, I need eyes on the heat exchanger bypass. We have a confirmed level deviation in the fractionator.
Ensure the viscosity is noted in this column. It looks good.
Got it. Everything seems to be within the parameters for release.
Easy on the hydraulics, bring it down slowly.
Confirmed. Watch the alignment on row 3 on row 3.
Is the pressure holding steady on gauge 3?
Yes, the torque is good. We can move on. Pressure's spiking on line 3. Watch the flow rate.
Roger that. Roger that. Logging the data.
We've got an excursion in the distillation column.
I'm initiating the emergency sequence. Rerouting the feed now.
The flow rate is stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. Logging the final metrics now.
Check the pressure on the main line. It's reading 75 psi.
7.5, confirmed and logged.
The specific gravity is matching the projections perfectly.
Excellent. Let's sign off on this batch for immediate transport. Check the reading on that gauge. It's holding steady now.
The data log shows a spike 2 minutes ago, resolving itself.
All right, input the override sequence here, then wait for the green light.
Got it. Green light confirmed. Logging the data now.